Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Lexus RX 350 cabin air filter. First, gather your tools, a new cabin air filter and a small Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. Then, open the passenger side door to give yourself ample room to work around the glove box area. This preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. Now, let's access the filter. Begin by emptying everything from your glove box to avoid anything spilling out. Next, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box. This action will release the stoppers, allowing the glove box to swing down further. Finally, carefully disconnect the small dampener arm located on the right side of the glove box. With the glove box out of the way, you'll see the cabin filter housing. Unclip the cover and carefully pull out the old, dirty filter. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow on the old filter. It's crucial for proper installation. Now, insert your new cabin air filter, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one. This step is vital for optimal performance. To finish up, reattach the dampener arm to the glove box. Then, push the sides of the glove box back in to re-engage the stoppers, securing it in place. Close the glove box and give it a quick test to ensure it opens and closes smoothly. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. Also, for some great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your fresh air.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.